How to fix the missing Add Friend button on your Facebook profile. This tutorial shows you the easy solution to enable friend requests. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Privacy. In the next step, look for who can send you friend requests. Following this, tap on it to view your current setting. Once done, if it's set to Friends of Friends, that's why some people can't send you requests. From here, change it to Everyone to allow anyone to send friend requests. At this stage, tap Save to apply the changes. After this, the Add Friend button will now appear on your profile for everyone. Alternatively, if you're trying to add someone else and the button is missing, they've restricted who can send them friend requests. You can tap Follow instead to see their public posts, or send them a message. And that's it. If this Add Friend button fix helped you connect with more people, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.